In this video, I'll show you how to create an online course with WordPress. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Since WordPress doesn't include course creation features by default, you'll need to install a learning management plugin. Next, go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. Search for Tutor LMS, Learn Dash, or Lifter LMS. Install and activate the plugin you want to use. After that, complete the setup wizard to configure your course pages, payment options if needed, and other basic settings. Now go to the New Courses section added by your LMS plugin and click Add New or Create Course. Enter your course title, description, featured image, and any other required details. Next, add your course content by creating sections, lessons, quizzes, and assignments. Upload videos, PDFs, or other learning materials, then choose whether the course will be free or paid. Finally, publish your course and enroll in it with a test student account to make sure everything works correctly from the learner's perspective. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an online course with WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.